on this question. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 12, 24 and 30 days respectively. They started the work together and B left the work 6 days before the completion. A left 4 days before the completion of work. In how many days was the total work completed? So this information is given that A, B and C are there and time taken by them to complete same amount of work is given as 12 days, 24 days and 30 days respectively. Now the total work I can assume as the common multiple of these three numbers to get my calculation a bit easy. So I can assume the total work as common multiple of these three numbers, that would be 120. So I'm assuming the total work to be 120 units so that I can calculate their rate per day, or this is the efficiency per day. So in 12 days it is doing A is completing 120 units, so I can say the rate of A is 10 units per day and rate of B is 120 units in 24 days, so 5 units per day, and C is doing work at a rate of 4 units per day. Now it is given that they started the work together. All three, A, B and C, start the work together. Now B left 6 days before the completion of work. So I am assuming the let the work finish in total of X days. Total X days are taken to finish the work. Now it is given that B left the work 6 days before the completion. So completion, the work is completed in X days. So I can say B works for how many days? 6 days before the completion. So I can say B works for X minus 6 days, and the rate of B, rate of doing work in case of B is completing 5 units per day. So the total work completed or the work completed in this time by B would be how much? In 5 days X minus 6 units, or in X minus 6 days at a rate of 5 units per day, it is completing 5x minus 30 units. Now it is given that A left 4 days before, so A works for X minus 4 days. If A works for X minus 4 days, number of units completed by A would be, is completing 10 units per day. In X minus 4 days, number of units completed would be 10x minus 40 units. And C is working for the total of X days. So C works for X, total X days. If C works for X days, total work completed by him or the total units completed by him would be 4 units in X days. It is 4x units. Now the information is all on this board. I have assumed total work as 120 units and I have work done by A, B and C. So this work done by A and C must add up to 120 units. So it is given that A completes 10x minus 40 units, B completes 5x minus 30 units, and C completes 4x units, and this all must add up to 120 units. So let us solve this equation. So 10 and 5, 15 and 4, 19x must be equal to, this is 40 and 30, 70, this goes to other side, so it becomes 190 and I get x as 10. So they work for total of 10 days. So correct answer to this question, in how many days was the total work completed? So the total work completed in 10 days. So correct answer would be option C.